Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Cold Steel Rajah is probably one of the most iconic and versatile folding knives on the market, renowned for its robust construction, exceptional cutting performance, and unique design that blends tactical functionality with everyday practicality, making it a top choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike seeking a reliable tool for a wide range of tasks. Number 5. Cold Steel Rajah Series Folding Knife. Introducing the Rajah series, a tactical folding knife designed for versatility. It combines a razor-sharp blade with a durable handle for reliable performance. Modeled after the traditional kukri, this knife excels as a multi-purpose tool. It can effortlessly cut, chop, slice, and shear through even the toughest materials. The blade is crafted from superior Japanese AUS 10A steel with a stonewash finish, ensuring both durability and a sleek aesthetic. Its unique shape allows for deep, precise cuts. Its Griv-X handle is ergonomically designed with aesthetic lines that ensure an optimum grip and control. This allows for comfortable and precise handling during any task. Equipped with our renowned triad locking mechanism, it offers unparalleled strength and shock resistance. This enhances its reliability and safety, even during heavy-duty tasks. With a 6-inch blade made of Japanese AUS 10A steel and a 14-inch overall length, this folder is built for demanding use. It features the secure triad lock for peace of mind. What we like. This knife excels at cutting, chopping, and slicing through tough materials. Its kukri-inspired design makes it a versatile tool for various tasks. If you need a robust knife for heavy-duty work or outdoor adventures, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The blade work and quality are amazing. The blade is shaped like a kukri and beefy like one as well. The handle is long enough to work the blade and index really comfortable. The stone wash finish method used on the blades left a pattern design on the blade that catches light or sun rays and makes the blade shimmer. The locking mechanism is very strong and the knife is very strong and sturdy. The blade sharpness out of the box was just as good as advertised and I couldn't find a single issue with the material or assembly quality. The weight is good for its size, light enough to be actually carry in your pocket and still substantial enough to make the kukri shape of the blade feel like it's not just a gimmick. Number 4. Cold Steel Code 4 Folding Knife. Introducing the Cold Steel Code 4, an ultra-thin and lightweight folding knife designed for everyday carry. It's the reliable, functional utility blade you can always count on. This knife features a 3.5-inch blade made from premium S35VN stainless steel. This ensures exceptional toughness and long-lasting sharpness, perfect for demanding tasks. The handle is crafted from sturdy 6061 aluminum, offering excellent durability and strength. Its hard anodized gunmetal gray finish also provides enhanced corrosion resistance. Experience unparalleled strength and safety with its renowned triad locking mechanism. This feature provides superior shock resistance, making it reliable for heavy-duty use. Weighing just 4.3 ounces, this folding knife is incredibly light yet highly functional. Its sleek design makes it a breeze to carry wherever you go. With its clip-point blade shape and robust locking system, it's perfectly suited for tactical and everyday applications. This is the dependable tool you need. What we like. This knife is incredibly thin and lightweight, making it perfect for everyday carry without adding bulk. The S35VN steel ensures it stays sharp through demanding use. If you prioritize a discreet, reliable, and lightweight EDC knife, this one should be at the top of your list. What people say. The Cold Steel Rajah 2 is a beast of a folding knife, featuring a massive 6-inch blade made from AUS 10A stainless steel. The blade is thick and wide, with a full flat grind that makes it surprisingly slicey for its size. The handle is Grivery, which is a strong and durable synthetic material. It offers a secure grip, even when wet, thanks to its textured surface and ergonomic design. The knife also features Cold Steel's triad lock, known for its incredible strength and reliability. The Rajah 2's pocket clip is strong and holds the knife securely, though it can be a bit stiff to deploy initially. The overall build quality is excellent, with tight tolerances and no blade play. Number 3. Cold Steel AD-10 Tactical Folding Knife. Introducing the AD-10, a tactical folding knife engineered for extreme performance. Its blade offers unparalleled cutting, shearing, and piercing power, built to withstand the toughest tasks without bending or breaking. Crafted from premium S35VN steel, this knife ensures a superfine cutting edge that stays sharp through rigorous use. You can rely on its exceptional edge retention for consistent performance. The handle provides unparalleled strength and a secure grip, thanks to its heat-treated liners and 3D machined G10 scales. Its precise contouring and integral finger guard ensure a comfortable and safe hold. Experience unrivaled strength and shock resistance with the triad locking mechanism. This reliable system ensures the blade stays securely in place, providing peace of mind during every use. With a blade thickness of 3.8 mm and a blade length of 3.5 inches, this folder is designed for demanding applications. Its durable construction makes it a reliable companion for any challenge. This folding knife features a 5.25-inch G10 handle and an overall length of 8.75 inches. Weighing just 7 ounces, it offers a perfect balance of size and portability. What we like. This knife boasts an exceptionally strong and sharp blade, designed for unparalleled cutting and piercing power. The G10 handle provides a secure grip for maximum control. If you're looking for a tactical folder that offers superior strength and a comfortable, reliable hold, this is the one. What people say. It uses CPM S35VN steel, a high-quality stainless steel developed specifically for knife blades, known for its excellent edge retention, toughness, and corrosion resistance. The knife features aluminum liners and rounded G10 ergonomic scales that feel secure and comfortable in hand, whether you're wearing gloves or not. The lock design is widely regarded as one of the strongest and most reliable in the industry, adding confidence during heavy use. Number 2. Cold Steel Spartan Folding Knife. Experience exceptional sharpness and edge retention with its blade, meticulously crafted from Japanese AUS-10A steel. It's designed to echo the performance of an iconic kukri, delivering precision and effectiveness. This pocket knife features a patented thumb plate for quick, one-handed opening. It can also be snagged on a pocket's edge for lightning-fast deployment. Its distinctive handle is made from Grivex with steel liners, ensuring a comfortable grip. Combined with our famous triad lock, it provides incredible safety and security. This folding knife includes an ambidextrous pocket belt clip for convenient carry options. This feature enhances its accessibility, ensuring it's always within reach when needed. It boasts a 4.5-inch blade made of Japanese AUS-10A steel and a Grivex handle with steel liners. The overall length is 10.5 inches, secured by a reliable triad lock. What we like. This knife offers lightning-fast deployment thanks to its innovative thumb plate, making it incredibly accessible. Its unique handle design, combined with sharp AUS-10A steel, provides both performance and a secure grip. If you value quick access and a distinctive, high-performing blade for everyday tasks, consider this option. What people say. The functionality and lock-type strength are easy to manipulate and hold up very well. The blade shape is unique, compared to many of the other cookie cutter types out on the market currently. Was razor sharp out of the box and have not had to resharpen since purchasing it. Construction is very solid build and the handle makes for a great fit in the hand the way it is contoured. It came razor sharp, locking mechanism locks up good and tight and the ergonomics are perfect for my hand. The Grivery grips are secure and grippy so no need to worry if it will slip out of my hand while using. Number 1. Cold Steel Rajah Series Folding Knife. Introducing the Cold Steel Rajah Series, a tactical folding knife designed for versatility and performance. Its kukri-inspired design makes it an outstanding multi-purpose tool for any task. Experience exceptional cutting power with its Japanese AUS-10A steel blade, featuring a stonewash finish for durability and style. The unique blade shape is engineered to bite deep and make clean cuts with ease. The Grivex handle is ergonomically designed with aesthetic lines that ensure a secure and comfortable grip. Its contours provide excellent control for precise handling during demanding tasks. Equipped with our renowned triad locking mechanism, this knife offers unparalleled strength and shock resistance. You can rely on its safety and stability, even during heavy-duty use. This folder boasts a 3.5-inch blade made of Japanese AUS-10A steel and a 4.875-inch Grivex handle. It weighs just 5 ounces and features the reliable triad lock. What we like. This compact folder offers the cutting power of a kukri in a more manageable size. Its lightweight Grivex handle ensures comfortable handling for extended use. If you appreciate the versatility of a cookery blade but prefer a smaller, more portable package for everyday carry, this knife is an ideal fit. What people say. The blade work and quality are amazing. The blade is shaped like a cookery and beefy like one as well. The handle is long enough to work the blade and index really comfortable. The locking mechanism is very strong and the knife is very strong and sturdy. The knife has held its edge like it was brand new. The Rajah 111 is a strong, sturdy and stalwart knife. Its triad lock is legendary. Its build is quality, size and grip ergonomic. The blade sharpness out of the box was just as good as advertised and I couldn't find a single issue with the material or assembly quality. The weight is good for its size, light enough to be actually carry in your pocket and still substantial enough to make the cookery shape of the blade feel like it's not just a gimmick. My hands are pretty slender but the grip still felt secure and comfortable in different grip styles. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.